Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. And also, if you enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also share with friends and family. And don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So for today's last 3-minute picture frame Friday, or 3-minute mini picture frame Friday, what we're going to do is basically remove the backing and the glass from your frame, and also remove the stand part of your backing mini frame, just like so. And go ahead and do that to all. I ended up using just 3. I have 5 here, but at the end I just used 3. You can use as many as you wish, depending on how many shelves, I guess you could say, you want on your little stand. But basically you just do that, and then you're going to get 2 of your painter sticks and glue them together. And I want to apologize ahead of time. Part of this tutorial is kind of going to be dark. My lighting just kept messing up, and for some reason it kept turning off and on. So I'm going to have to purchase a new one, but I hope you guys understand and see enough to where you know what I'm doing. But go ahead and add your glue and your Fix-All glue or E6000 to your painter sticks and stick them together. Just making sure they're both even. Now with, like I said, I only used 3 of the mini frames, but I ended up using, placing one at the very, very bottom. So I did that one, I glued that one first. And then I just evenly spaced them out as much as I kind of could. I just eyeballed it, but basically you can even it out, or if you want to, with a ruler measure it. But like I said, I just kind of eyeballed it. Just space them out as much as you want. And they stay pretty secure with your Fix-All glue and hot glue. So once you're done with that, go ahead and start doing the sides with the other 2 remainder painter sticks. So basically just figure it out where they're going to be lying at, and then again add some of your adhesive and then your hot glue to one side at a time. And I just did it to all 3 at the same time, all 3 mini frames. And then I laid it on its side, kind of just trying to figure out where I wanted to place it. And I pressed it down and added some hot glue. And then I'm going to repeat it to the opposite side as well. Doing the same thing, adding your adhesive and then your hot glue. This little mini shelf would be perfect for a few items, a few things. I know I thought of using it for my nail polish and, you know, maybe a nail polish remover and then a small container with cotton balls. Also just, you know, your little knickknacks. I don't know about you guys, but I always like collecting different little knickknacks. I like collecting little miniature boxes. So I might even use that for a display for my little boxes as well. But basically you just glue the 2 painter sticks on either side like so. And now what I did with the little mini skewer sticks, which is something optional, you really don't have to do it, but I just wanted to do it just to give it that extra little security. I just cut it in little pieces, and you just might need 2 little sticks. You can even use popsicle sticks if you don't have these little skewer sticks. But you add some adhesive and then just lay it at the bottom of your frame. And I just give, again, just in case you want to hold, you want to place something a little bit heavier on your shelf, you won't have to worry too much about it. And then I just did it to all 3 sides, like so. And you don't have to use adhesive if you want. You can just use your hot glue gun. I just use adhesive for it. And I went ahead and did that to the only 2 shelves. I didn't have to do it to the very bottom shelf, obviously because it's the very bottom. So once you're done with that and you're happy with it, go ahead and spray paint it the color of your choice, or you can even paint it. If you want to paint it maybe like a chalk color black or white would be really cute, but I spray painted mine. And here's where my light completely just turned off. And I apologize, I didn't realize it was this dark. But at this, once your spray paint or your paint that whatever you choose to do is completely dry, again, go ahead and add some adhesive and then your hot glue, and we're going to place our glass and the backing back into each one of the mini frames. Now, another option, I chose to leave it as is, but there's an option that you can do paint your glass or even add some wallpaper or some like gift wrapping paper or scrapbook paper if you want a different design in each one of these little mini frames, and that would look really cute too. But I just chose to leave it as is. Maybe later on down the line, depending on exactly where I'm going to place this, if I'm going to leave it there for a while, I might add something to it. But for now, this is just the way I'm going to leave it. So you just add your glass and your backing back into each one of the mini frames. Just like so. And don't forget to leave me your suggestions for the next 3-Minute Fridays ideas that you want me to use, or item, or any suggestions of what you would like to see for these quick and easy 3-Minute Friday tutorials. And here it is with nail polishes. And then another one is, here's another way to use it with just different knickknacks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Till next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.